This is Sumo Jump Squat. Stand with your feet wider than hip distance apart, toes outward. Keeping your back straight, lower into a sumo squat. Make sure your knees don't extend beyond your toes. Then jump as high as you can, reach your arms overhead, land in a squat position, and repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Here's how to do alternating lunges. Begin with your feet hip distance apart. Step your right foot forward about 2 feet and lower into a lunge. Make sure your knee doesn't go past your ankle. Drive your body off the ground and switch the position of your legs in the air. You should land in a lunge with your left foot forward. Keep alternating sides as you repeat this exercise for 30 to 60 seconds. This is how to do a plyometric side lunge. Stand with your feet about twice as wide as your shoulders. Then jump your left leg to the left and bend your knee to come into a side lunge. At the same time, bring your right hand down to touch the floor in front of your body. Keep your chest high as you do this move. Then drive from your left foot to hop up. Land in side lunge on your right side with your left hand touching the floor. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Here's how to do an X-Jack jump. This is a fun twist on classic jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. As you jump, stretch your arms and legs out to the sides. Think about your body making an X shape in the air. Time yourself aiming for 30 to 60 seconds of movement.